ne ke tsenya sekolo ke tsentse Prudence sekolo kopa ho show off ka student sa ka. Yeah, Prudence, let me just show you. Prudence ba nkanya fo ke ba bontsha your work. Is it yo le bone ke ba bontsha mmereko wa I'm impressive light. This is her work.
Maybe brightness. Maybe design.
Inge brightness. Yeah. This is Prudence work. Ke murutile bead work. Guys. Ka Prudence tsayane. Shem.
No, for
Ke tsenya sekolo ka bead work. Awa. Pasits. Interview. What for it? How did you find out
got it on
about the interview?
about you.
Yeah.
It was when where was it? Google. It was on Google.
Oh, Google.
I got
Where?
the numbers on Google.
Not on Facebook.
I didn't have Facebook. I found them on Google.
Mm.
You were looking for people, I remember.
Mm.
And then I was like, okay, let me be the lucky one. If I will be the lucky one. And then I came here. I didn't even know anything like, at all.
Mm.
Nothing. Not to even use a sewing machine.
Mm.
It was terrible. You know, I got a good teacher. A very perfect one. You're so patient. And I'll say a lot of it. No, but you're so patient with me. You were. And then I learned how to sew on YouTube. I was doing it on YouTube. My first first day. I was so scared. Everything. When I came to the interview, oh my God. I found her. She was so sweet and everything. I was like, okay, let's see what I got. And I just started asking me, do I know anything about fashion? I was like, no, I don't know nothing. But I'm willing to learn. And then she was like, no problem. If you're willing to learn, let's do it. Then we started there. And now, perfect. The perfect girl. Very perfect.
We are improving. We are improving every day. We are improving every day.
Yeah, we are.
Now I'm not perfect. We are improving every day. But I don't want to lie. You have improved immensely from day one. From day one, and you've shown me when you're willing to learn. And one thing I've noticed, when you practice something, you get better at it. That's why I was saying about your beadwork. It's I don't know. I think maybe you've always had a kind of like ability to do it. Maybe you just were not exposed to it.
Yeah.
But with you doing it again and again, you're doing great work. You're doing great work. This was a behind the scenes. I was just showing off for hey, ngwana o itse ke eng. Wa impressa, o itse ke o tsenya pressure. Hey, sharp guys.
Journey 7.